Hey, happy Wednesday, 8th graders. I just want to first of all thank you for how well you guys are doing at reading directions and following directions and doing your best. I'm just thankful for your effort and I just encourage you to keep it up. Today, we are going to reach the Pacific Ocean. All right. Yesterday, the leg of the journey had you meet Sacagawea, somebody that helped interpret as they met Native Americans, helped them understand the land. She had a baby on the journey. They spent the winter in North Dakota and then are continuing on now. So as you look at your to-do list, the first thing that you should do is finish your journey. So you're going to summarize stations 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the last 4 legs of the journey. So do that in the journal entry part and then plot those stops on the map. There is a postscript and some extra journaling. You don't have to read those. Okay, so just finish the stations. Then make sure you submit both the journal and the map. Remember, those are both posted on Monday. That's where you will find them. So submit that. I want to remind you that Friday is going to be a Google Meet with Senator Thune starting at 10:15. Thank you for everyone who volunteered to be in the live meet session, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. But what I want everyone to do today, after you've done your Lewis and Clark expedition activity, I would like you to submit a question. As you can see, this is a question post. Submit a question that you would like to ask Senator Thune, and we're going to have a whole list of questions available for the question and answer session. So even if you're not going to be in the live meet, I want you to think about what would you want to ask him about his life, about his job, about working in the Senate, being a part of the lawmaking branch in Washington, D.C., obviously COVID, school things. What would you like to ask him? So submit a question. If you can't think of something, maybe ask your parents and say, what would you like to ask Senator Thune? So submit that. Then go ahead and look at the attached document here. These are the people here that will be in the live meet right here in the yellow. Now, a few of you did not have your assignment done yet when I was posting this, so there could be a few more of you, but this is a great amount. I'll go over these directions with you tomorrow, but this is what you'll do, very similar to our prayer meets. Just some hints for you, those of you doing the live meet. Everyone else, I will have that posted around 11 on Friday, so it's going to be a little later. I normally post them at 7:30 a.m., so this one won't be until 11. You're going to watch that carefully, and then you'll have to respond with some observations. But this I'll go over again on Thursday, but just so you know what's happening on Friday. That is it. Follow your to-do list. Contact me with questions. Super proud of you, Chargers. Keep up the great work.